I've been asked about the tax question before, about the over $250,000 and how does that impact small businesses. For most, I think the figure is 97% of small business owners don't make over $250,000 a year. Now, we all aspire to make over that, but I think most of us would be reasonable enough to say that if we were to, have a great year that somehow sent us over that 250 up to maybe 280, 290, the additional $30,000 or $40,000 over 250 that we'd be subject to a 4%, paying 4% more on just that 40,000, I'd gladly pay that. I'd still be so excited about having hit the threshold that it would not be something that would ever impact our decision about whether to hire another employee, whether to expand, and so on, remembering that you only pay the higher rate on the amount over 250. You don't instantly pay the higher rate on every dollar you made that year just because you had a good year. And I think that's a greatly misunderstood point that more small business owners need to understand that, because it's very, very misunderstood.
Okay, so your total is $10. Okay, 10 big ones. You want me to put it in a box for her?
I really think it's more important that the economy move forward and that the middle class be as bolstered as possible, because that's where our demand comes from, is from middle class customers. So how they're doing and their perception of how they're doing and how they're going to do in the future is what drives their decisions about whether or not to come buy things in our store or with our neighboring businesses.